Wait, stop right there. Do not buy another car tablet, not today, not next week, not until you see what I'm about to show you. Because in my hand right now, I have a device that is so ridiculous, so overpowering, so disrespectful to everything else on the market that it makes these so-called premium screen car tablet look like cheap Fisher-Price toys. This is the Imagebon M70. And before the end of this video, you will find out exactly why this is not competing with any other car tablet on the market. It's simply humiliating them. So guys, this thing has so many features, I literally had to write them down on a piece of paper. See there? 11.4-inch QLED screen. Beautiful. Now I boot it up and it was so impressive. One of the most beautiful screens I've ever seen on a car tablet. Not only that, but it's a real Android operating system. It's Android 14 that comes with this device. It's 4G capable. It has wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, dual recording from the front camera and the back camera. Not only that, but the front camera can be rotated to 180 degrees. So not only you can record what's going on in front of your vehicle, but you can turn it towards you and your family. So you literally get to see, it's like a selfie camera that while you're driving, you can basically record what's going on inside the car and then switch it back around, and then you can continue to record what's outside of the car. Now, how impressive is that? Not only that, but it has ADSA or ADAS, which means an advanced driver assistance system. You're talking about optimal security like one of those 2025 modern cars. Safety features, remote monitoring live from your phone. It also comes with the hardwire kit. So if you wanna see 24-hour monitoring on your car while you sleep, in fact, you get alerts when there is something suspicious going on around your car. It's amazing, you will see. Not only that, but it has full Google Play Store. Now imagine what you can do with that. You know exactly what that means. Full Google Play Store and a screen mirror that actually works. It's basically a 3-in-1 system. You have a full Android tablet. When I say a full Android tablet, I really mean a full Android tablet, and you will get to see what that is. Not only that, but it has dual recording cams, front dash cam, back cam. Now imagine all this bolted on a screen sitting on your dashboard. Now this is absolutely amazing. In this video, I am going to show you exactly why I think the Imagebon M70 is the best tablet on the market now that you can buy. We're going to see exactly what's hidden under the hood, what all those features are like, and then you get to decide if this deserves to be on your dashboard or not. It's as simple as that. All right, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to sit on my living room floor. I'm going to pull this thing out. I'm not even going to do any proper unboxing. I'm just going to pull this thing out, lay it all out there like a kid with a brand new toy. Listen, from all the tablets that I've ever bought, the car tablet, this is the only one that I actually just can't put down. I was so surprised, and I'm so excited to show you what I've discovered about the Imagebon M70. Let's do it. So I'm sitting on my living room floor, and I'm just going to show you some of the accessories that came with this thing. Some of them are optional, so you can buy them together with the entire package, or you can buy them separately. Or if you think you don't need that particular feature, then you don't have to buy that accessory for it. So these are the accessories that I choose to get with my device for the purpose for which I need. And this is the hardwire kit. Now, if you want 24-hour monitoring, remote live monitoring and control from your phone, this is the accessory that you need to get. And I will do a separate video for those of you who are not sure if you want to do this and you're not sure how to set it up and wire it. I'll have to do a separate video to show you step by step how to get this installed. It is quite different from being powered by the cigarette lighter port using this one, this long cord. Sometimes it can be a bit too much, you know, just straddling down the front of your dashboard and looking a bit messy. Now, once you've installed this one, then I don't think there would be any need for this one. The only downside is that the 3.5 jack for audio is attached to this power card. So I am not sure. Let me just check to see if there's one on this as well. Not sure. Oh yeah, wow, this is clever. It's clever that they have thought about this as well. So because the 3.5 jack for audio was connected to this, I was thinking, hey, if I'm not using this and I'm using this instead, where am I going to connect for my audio? But they cleverly thought about that and they've installed that. So once you've used this for power, then basically you don't need this one. All right, I also have the
3.5 jack here for the auxiliary audio output, and this is the mount that you can, keep it on your dashboard, and I think I prefer this one. And this is the adhesive that comes with it. You can stick at the bottom of it. And I also got the GPS module. All right, it gives the device its own location and movement data, not just relying on your phone. So it allows the screen to show your speed, your position. It stores it all on a video file, enabling better event detection and support features like remote tracking, parking monitoring, etc. So they both work hand in hand. So these are just the accessories that I choose to get. I didn't get the rear camera because, I can probably get that at another time. But for now, these are just the accessories I got with my car tablet. This is the beautiful Imagebon 11.4 M70 car tablet. I think it's probably the biggest car tablet screen on the market right now. So this is the back of the device. It's quite a simple layout. This is where you put the mount for the dashboard. This is the camera here. Now you can twist this. If I can get a good grab of it, you can twist the camera to the right or the left. You can twist it down or you can push it up, whatever angle that is best for you. Also, you can actually push this up higher for your viewing need. And as I mentioned, you can rotate this to 180 degree, not 360, but just 180 degree to see inside your car. And then you can twist it back to its normal position where it continues to record in front of your windscreen. So these are all the ports that came on the device. You have the C-type power port right there. Also, you see these two slots here. One is for the SD card and the other one where you see that white thing stuck inside it, that's the SIM for the 4G function. All right, and this is where you insert your hardwire kit there, and of course you have the AVN, and it's quite simple. See, now you have an idea of how beautiful and big and bright this screen is. And it starts just like an Android tablet, and even before it's fully booted up, you can see the layout is just like an Android tablet. And look at this, beautiful, isn't it? A very brilliant screen, 11.4 inches, and you can see all the apps that you would normally get on a normal Android tablet. You have Netflix, as you can see, you have Chrome, YouTube, and all these work. And that's the thing with it, everything on it actually works just like a real Android tablet. And as I go through it, then you would see the layout looks just like an Android tablet. So when I say 3-in-1, this is one in the 3. It's a full-fledged Android operating system, Android 14. If I go into setting, you can see the same layout as you would see on a normal Android tablet. I go down to about, and then you can see for yourself, it has 8 gig of memory and it's Android 14. Beautiful, isn't it? So the same layout, the same features, the same setting that you would get on your Android tablet, this is what this car tablet has to offer. You can even pull this side down and you will see the same setting as you would on your Android device. There you have notification there, notification from the Play Store. And even on this side, you will see the icon there for the SIM card or the 3G. It's not connected to a network yet. It even has a hotspot there as well as the Wi-Fi signal. I can even go into Google Play and you can see Google Play works. You can download any of the apps that you need, like literally any app that you can use on Android, your Android device. You can basically use it on here. If I go into Chrome, it also works. It's also a full-fledged, let me just get out of that. It's also a full-fledged browser. Just like how you're browsing on your Android device, you can browse on this. You can Google something. Whatever you do on your device, this can also do. Even Netflix works. If I go into Netflix, I click on my profile there, and then it shows, you see, everything that I look at on Netflix. And it actually works, but I don't want to play anything for the risk of copyright infringement and cancel my video out and have a strike on my channel. I'm not going to play anything, but I did play something and it actually works. If I come out and I go into YouTube, YouTube also works. Look at this. This is actually YouTube. As a matter of fact, I'll go into my channel. I'll go into Unwrap City, and these are my videos. These are my actual videos. I'm not sure if I play something from my own channel if I'll get strike for it, but I'm going to try and see All right, let's go into maybe this one. See what happens. See? And it's actually playing. It's actually playing the video on my YouTube channel. These are all the things that you can get on this time. Not only that, but you can swipe and you have access to all the other apps that you've installed or downloaded from Play Store. Every single one of them are there and every single one of them are working. You even have ChatGPT. You go back to the main screen, you can also access split screen and it works really well from here. For example, on this side, I have my music app open, Spotify open, and over here I can also open another app. I can open this one, and then here you can get to another setting. You can switch between CarPlay, you can switch to Android Auto, and then you can switch to Mirror Link. Now the Mirror Link works on this one like seamlessly, and in another video I'll do some demonstration to show you exactly how these different things works, but everything that you see here actually works 100%. Now, this is the final thing I want to show you before I wrap up this video. This is the front cam. It is 1080p, but it is beautiful. I'm actually just looking out my window. That's my car at the front there, looking at the neighbors, and the quality is really good. The quality is really good. If I twist it, you can see a little bit down the road there. If I twist it like that, you can see across the street there. It is not 4K, it is 1080p, but the quality is still good. But having all these features, 3 system in one, and a dash cam that works, this is really a bargain. So guys, I'm going to leave this video here for now. I'm sure that you are surprised just as I was, and this is just half of what this thing has to offer. I'm going to do another video to demonstrate how you can change the theme just like how you do on your phone. You can switch to whatever theme that you want. You can use your own personal photos that you have on your device. The Bluetooth works. As I said, the screen mirror works. I will demonstrate that all these other apps work. Like if you want to download an app with radio stations that you like, then you can do that just like how I downloaded this one from the UK. And I listen to all these stations like how I would on a normal car. It's just a beautiful thing to have. Oh, I should also mention that this device also has regular updates. And this is me downloading the latest software upgrade right now on the device. So if you've enjoyed this video, drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about it. Are you planning to get one? And I think now, because you have Black Friday sale, they're a bit cheaper than usual. All right, this is a good Christmas gift to buy for your dad or grandpa or your grandmother, anybody who has a need for it, or just a want. I just want something a bit more upgraded, a bit more modern, a bit more sleek. All right, that has all the bells and the whistles. All right, so put this one on your shopping list, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a like, and trust me, I have a lot more videos that I'll be doing on this one because the features are just endless. Thanks for watching. I'm out.